Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a after company clean with me. We hosted Mother's Day this year and it was truly a blessing to have both of our families over. We ate, we laughed, we prayed. It was so much fun and it was really nice enjoying each other's company. So I don't like to clean when we have company over. I feel like it's rude, but that's just my own personal opinion. So I waited till everybody was gone and then I went ahead and started to tidy up around the house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's go ahead and get started. So I like to start cleaning in my dining area because that's where usually most of the mess is. So here I have my husband helping me put the table back into the garage. And he's always so helpful, you guys. I get comments saying how great it is that he helps around the house, and he truly is such a great sport. So once I picked up everything, I went in with my Method Lime and Sea Salt Spray. This smells really good. I just got this with my new Grove order, and I've been using it nonstop. And then you guys already know how much I love this Shark rotator. So after I wiped down the table, I went in and started to vacuum the carpet and the floors. I also like to give the chairs a quick wipe down because, as you can see, I have a 2-year-old that likes to get his little sticky fingers everywhere. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days. Don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not. And then I went ahead and got started in our dump zone, aka my center island. Then I went in with my Miss Meyers Mint Multi-Surface Spray, and this isn't my favorite. It's a little bit subtle for my taste, but it gets the job done. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this
is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts.
And then I went ahead and started to put away the clean dishes that I had washed throughout the day. Now this scent is one of my favorites. This Peony Miss Meyers dish soap smells so good. I even got my mom hooked on it. She would not stop washing my dishes when she came over. So I am wiping down the sink where my clean dishes are gonna go. And then of course, you guys know I like to go in with my Method anti-bac and spray down the sink.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to come?
And then I started to hand wash my dishes. I get comments asking if I have a dishwasher, and I don't. When we bought this house, they asked us if we wanted one, but I said no because I have never in my life used a dishwasher. I was just always accustomed to hand washing my dishes. So it's really no biggie, and it's actually really relaxing to wash the dishes. Can you guys tell how obsessed I am with Grove? Look at my countertops. I really have been liking Grove, and I've been placing orders. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link my referral code below so you guys can go ahead and get started also. And I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed, you guys. And then I went ahead and started to clean my stove. So here I'm using a Clorox wipe, and then I go back in with my Miss Meyers spray to give it a wipe down.
When you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it
also like to always wipe down my refrigerator because since it's black, it's easy to see fingerprints and again, little 2-year-old handprints.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it.
And this is me doing a happy dance because I'm almost done.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand.
And then I started to pick up the living room area, and it wasn't really too dirty here since we were mostly in the dining room, but I went ahead and gave it a quick clean anyways.
Don't let it get to you, you're better than you know. When facing times of doubt, stand up and you grow. Don't let it get to you, you're better.
I'm just giving the floors a quick clean before I mop them since there was a lot of traffic going on, there was a lot of footprints, and I wanted to go ahead and get them cleaned.
Fell inside. Now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time.
So for my floors, I make my own little mix. I grab a spray bottle, I add half white vinegar and then the other half with water. And then I go in and add a few drops of lavender essential oil just to give it a nice scent. And then I grab my Swiffer mop and I'll spray the floor and then go over it with the Swiffer. I really haven't found anything else that works better for me. Anything else I've used leaves streaks and just doesn't clean them as well as this does. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you guys like to use, go ahead and let me know because I am in the market for something new.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
And the last thing I did was went in with my Mrs. Meyers room freshener in the honeysuckle scent, and I gave my living room area a quick spritz. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you for all of the continued support. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload. Bye you guys.